Hey guys! Hello beautiful people, my name is Britt and today I will be doing a how to style a denim pinafore for you guys. Now I do have 3 looks styling this gorgeous blue denim pinafore. Now this video is in collaboration with my gorgeous friend Miriam, who has her own channel here on YouTube, and she will also be styling 3 looks around a black denim pinafore, so make sure you go check her channel out and leave her some love. If you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you do subscribe and give this video a massive thumbs up if you like. But without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video and I hope you enjoy it. See you guys next time.
Right. Ups and downs, here we've been on a roller coaster for a while. Truth be known, you know I walked 1,000 miles for your smile. Some things change and some will always be the same, and some will never know till we go. You never know, you never know, until you go. You never know, you never know, until you go. We'll never know, we'll never know, until we go. We'll never know, we'll never know, until we go. We'll never know. We gave it everything from start to finish. What more can you want? Keep it personal or tell all of our friends who was the chump. I just hope that we can keep that friendship we had from the jump. Probably not though. Girl, you ain't that patient like you used to be, and I ain't too. Things used to be cool, always pictured us the final two. But maybe not. Some things change and some will always be the same, and some will never know till we go. You never know, you never know, until you go. You never know, you never know, until you go. We'll never know, we'll never know, until we go. We'll never know, we'll never know, until we go. Until you go, we'll never know. Girl, I'm rolling paper after paper, I can barely think. Just finished the show, someone poured my drink. Guess it's how it's gonna be now. Ooh, how it's gonna be now. Woo. Girl, I'm rolling paper after paper, I can barely think. Just finished the show, someone poured my drink. Guess this how it's gonna be now. Woo. How it's gonna be now. You never know, until you go.